This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the circuit is de-energized and safe. Make sure you lock out power when required. Next, attach the continuity light's ground lead to a confirmed common or chassis point, then hold the probe tip where you want continuity checked. Once done, touch the probe briefly to a known good conductor to confirm the light and test lead connection. If the indicator fails, replace the bulb or batteries before proceeding. With the tester verified, you trace the wiring path methodically, expose junctions, or remove terminal screws so the probe contacts metal. Make sure to test at each end of a run and at any intermediate splice, pressing probe tip firmly against conductor. As you progress, wiggle joints and move connectors to reveal intermittent faults. A steady lit indicator means solid continuity, while a flicker or no light points to a break. After you make a repair or tighten a connection, you should retest the same points to confirm restored continuity before reassembling insulation and covers. If continuity still fails, isolate the circuit into smaller segments and test each piece to pinpoint the break. Replace the suspect wire, connector, or component as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if results are unexpected, swap or recheck the tester on a known good conductor to ensure the continuity light itself is functioning and you're not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.